Could Bitcoin reach $13 million one day? For many of you, this figure might seem like an impossible dream. However, according to Michael Saylor, founder of MicroStrategy, the world's largest corporate Bitcoin holder, it's only a matter of time. Saylor argues that Bitcoin is not just a digital currency, but the most perfect capital humanity has ever seen. First, let's clear one thing up. Michael Saylor doesn't just talk the talk, he puts his money where his mouth is. MicroStrategy recently announced a massive capital raising strategy called the 21/21 plan. They aim to raise exactly $42 billion in capital over the next 3 years to buy more Bitcoin. So, where does that famous $13 million figure come from? Saylor predicts Bitcoin will absorb approximately 7% global capital over the next 20 years. Considering that the world's total wealth is around $450 trillion today, Bitcoin's share of this pie could propel it to incredible levels. Saylor's strategy is no longer limited to just his own company. With the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs, we see Wall Street giants joining the game. Saylor views this as Bitcoin's step from adolescence into adulthood. In conclusion, Michael Saylor sees Bitcoin not just as an investment tool, but as a way to protect humanity's financial freedom and property rights. Even if $30 million sounds crazy, we must remember that history's greatest transformations always begin with crazy ideas. So, what do you think about this? Will Saylor's massive prediction come true one day? Or is he painting an overly optimistic picture? Do you think MicroStrategy's Bitcoin strategy is risky or genius? I'm definitely waiting for your comments below. I will read each and every one of them. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. My financial freedom be with you.